Agent Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazement right here. And basically what this is a portable mini electric kettle that you can use to boil water or tea or anything else. Eventually the one that we got right here is from this brand. And if you guys remember in the past, I actually reviewed another one from this brand before. But this one's actually much more cooler because it does give you guys the option to change the temperature setting on here, whereas for the other one it didn't. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside here, they do provide the cable that can plug in to activate the product. Right next to that, we do have a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then last but not least, we do have actual product right here. So let's take out the wrapper first. So once you guys take out the product, here's what it looks like. So in the right here, we do have the brand logo. Bottom part right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys which temperature you guys are using. Bottom part right here, I'm assuming is a button you guys can press to change the different temperature setting that's on here. If you guys turn to the back, they do have a slot here to open up. And that is where you guys plug in the cable to recharge it and activate it. Bottom part, they do have like the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it on the floor or surface, it won't move around. And then for the top part, they do have a design where you open up the lid like this. So that way the air and the steam can come out, and you can probably use it to drink water out of if you guys want to. And then once you guys twist it open, that is basically what the inside looks like. So you see the interior is stainless steel, so you definitely will know that it's insulated, etc. And you see inside there's a max line, so you don't want to go above that line when you guys do fill water in here. You guys want to fill underneath it. And like I mentioned, the inside is stainless steel, so it's supposed to help you guys keep your water insulated for up to 12 hours if you guys do fully seal it up. And the way how they designed the lid is a spill-proof lid. So when you guys do add liquid in here, it shouldn't spill. And we'll test it out in a second. And then for the product, it has all the protection on here, like the auto shut-off option and boil dry protection as well. And they also mentioned boil time that's on here is pretty fast. It should take around 6 to 8 minutes for it to boil your water. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go add some water in here and plug it in to test it out to show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. First thing I want to do is add some water inside first. Alright, so that should be good. I don't want to add too much. Close it back up. You basically want to open up this part right here when you guys are boiling water. And now I want to plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, eventually that light turns on. So what I'm going to do is press on this button to activate it. So there's 120, 160, 195, and 212. So let's say for example we want to use 212. We just want to leave it and let it boil by itself. Once it's finished boiling, it'll turn off by itself. So currently starting the process of boiling the water. So I'll let it finish first and come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been a few minutes, and if you guys listen carefully, you can definitely hear the water starting to boil. So I think we're halfway of the process of boiling the water, so it should be almost done soon. Alright, so once it's done, if you can hear that beeping noise, that is how you guys know when it's done. And if you guys look at the top part of the lid, there's a lot of steam coming out as well. So once it's finished boiling, you can unplug it and just start using the water to boil tea or drink water or whatever you guys want to use it for. That is up to you guys. But now I'm going to close back up the lid and test out the spill-proof option to show you guys whether or not it's actually leak-proof and spill-proof as well. Make sure the bottom part right here is fully sealed up so that way none of the water can get in. Make sure the lid is closed, top part is closed. And if you guys try to pour the water out, if you can see the product is leak-proof and none of the water leaks out. As long as you guys close the lid correctly, then it should be leak-proof. If you can see right here. So that is basically how you guys use the product. Very easy and very simple. And then if you guys want to pour the water out, you guys can open up the lid and just pour it out really easily. And the way how you guys wash it is actually very simple. You do want to hand wash it, but that is basically everything that's on the product. Alright, welcome back guys. So a nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So you can see from the actual test, the water definitely boils pretty fast. And I also love the fact that how it actually has this spill-proof lid. So that way when you guys do have liquid in here, it won't spill out. And I also love the fact that how she gives you guys the option to change the different temperature setting on here. So if you guys want to be more hot or less hot, you can adjust it based on your own preference, which is pretty awesome. And I also love the fact that how she has a push up lid, so that way you can drink water out of from there as well if you guys want to. Especially if you guys want to use it to make tea or something. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality portable electric kettle. They also give you guys the option to adjust the temperature setting that's on here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.